What's up, y'all? This is Ryan with TriStar Tables, bringing you the unboxing of the package I got in the mail from Atlas 46 the other day. I'm super excited to open this up and see what's inside, so let's get to it. First, one thing I'd like to emphasize and point out is that Atlas 46 makes the product right here in the United States, and I take pride in supporting companies that make that a priority, as well as, and it's pretty sweet that they put it big on their boxes so everyone knows. The fun doesn't stop there though. On the back of the box, there's the Constitution of the United States, just in case for some reason you ordered from them and didn't know what they were about. America. Box is sturdy, seems easy to open. What? Targets on the inside lid. On the top here, looks like I got the workshop apron in their Coyote color. The multi-Ames 326 multi-purpose tool pouch, and the Ames drill holster, all in the Coyote color. Get that out of the way, set these up here. Alright, it's got a zippered pouch for looks like a cell phone or something else. Did I tell you about the target that's on the inside of the box? I mean, how cool is that? Come on. Alright, here's a little closer up look. Got the drill pouch down there to the right, but that can be put anywhere. There's a couple pouches for screws, nails. Looks like a hammer pouch there. Alright, so let's put some of these attachments on to see how easy it is to use the Ames system, which isn't like a Molly system, it's their own proprietary system for attaching these attachments. So it looks like there's three Velcro parts. The large one you put on first, and then you wrap the two around to keep them from going anywhere. Alright, so it's super easy to put on, fairly lightweight, but it's also enough to know that it's heavy duty. Attaches with two clips, pretty fairly sized clips, and you can tighten it up. So it fits pretty good. I don't know why I keep putting my hands in my pockets. But the Ames system works pretty well too. These attachments aren't going anywhere, and I doubt they'll go anywhere with any kind of tools in there. So here's an example of putting a drill in the drill holster. It's got a elastic cord to keep the top in, and it's not going anywhere. Of course, the shake test is the official way to do it. And you gotta test the drill, of course, to make sure it works. Alright, so if you guys aren't happy with your purchase with Atlas 46, you can try it, TRI, for 46 days. And it's a month and a half. Alright, so here's some of my tools that I will try to put in here. It's gonna change a lot, I know, but here we go. Alright, y'all, I'm standing here with the Atlas 46 workshop apron. I took it out of the box. Got some of my stuff in it. The lefty righty from F.A.Q, Pro Carpenter gloves, my dust collection, needle nose, of course a screwdriver, my engineer square, some pencils, a permanent marker, my speed square, my Milwaukee bits, a hammer, got my ISO tunes hanging here. I can put screws, nails, whatever I want. That's it. I mean, my initial impression is very good. You can tell it's quality made. All the stitches are solid. There's Velcro for certain attachments. We'll see how it holds up. And other than that, it's a good first impression. I'm excited to put it to some use.